Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions on how I replaced a 15 amp duplex outlet and faceplate. The very first thing you do when working with electricity is to turn off the power at the main breaker panel and then verify that there is no power at the outlet. Remove the electrical tester and then unscrew and remove the faceplate. Once removed, then unscrew the duplex outlet and pull it out from the electrical box. This will give you access to the wires. Unscrew and remove all the electrical wires, including the ground wire from the outlet. Attach the bare copper ground wire to the green screw, the white wires to the silver screws, and the black wires to the brass screws. I always like to wrap some electrical tape around the outlet covering the wire screws before pushing and screwing it back into the electrical box. Now it is time to place the new faceplate over it. Now let's turn the breaker back on and verify that the outlet is correctly wired. Success! Ole ole! Another down and dirty, do-it-yourself home project completed. If you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.